And National Geographic, I feel like, has ruined it more, because National Geographic, they know what the animals are thinking. They will say also, oh, look at that bird, he has no worries. Man, birds have a huge problem. Huge, big problem. Birds can fly, but they can't fly in one place. Like they can't stop while flying. So if you are in the air, you have to go somewhere. If a bird is asking another bird, hey, can you show me how to fly? He'll go away. I guess he'll take the lecture tomorrow then. More of a visiting faculty. And National Geographic will say things like, eagles, they circle their prey. And they circle their prey actually because it's a strategy. They're playing mind games. I know the real reason. Because that is the only way eagle can stay in one place. Because otherwise you'll be like, oh, nice prey. So eagle has to be like, oh, nice prey, 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 nice prey.